Welcome to Astro Rahu channel. Today we are going to discuss debilitated moon in the third house. That is moon in Scorpio in third house. Obviously, this is the Kanya Ascendant, the Virgo Ascendant, for which moon as the 11th lord is debilitated in the third house. For the Virgo Ascendant especially, whenever the third lord goes in the 11th or the 11th lord goes in the third, both these placements are very kind of nasty or notorious placements. If we just talk about the placement itself, if other planets are good, then obviously the character, the person would be different. But if we talk about the placement, just the placement, the third goes in 11th, Mars becomes debilitated, a notorious placement. The 11th goes in the third, moon debilitated, notorious placement. In this episode we are talking about the 11th lord moon, which is going in the third house and it's being debilitated. Now such a person is very much obsessed about knowing what their relatives and friends are doing, because the third house represents the relatives, the social circle around you, your neighbors, etc. The 11th lord, the 11th house represents higher circle, but the 11th and third being involved over here, in general the nature is that the person is very curious about knowing who is doing what, and that is his knack, his ability. And this is like a very shrewd person who continuously, God knows how, he is able to keep track about who is doing what, and he is continuously updated about the events and doings of every person around him. And not only that, by knowing so, he tries to control the lives of these people, and he tries to gain advantage out of such information. Number one. There is also, so the first point was that he wants to know about what's going on in all, who is doing what. Number one. Number two, he also has a knack not to disclose what he himself is doing. This also I have observed in many cases. He knows about what the other person is doing, but he makes sure that the other people don't know what he is doing. So he also has a knack of hiding about his activities. He makes sure that people don't come to know what he is doing. People don't know about him, but he knows exactly what people around him are doing. The first point is he knows about the social circle, each and every people who is doing what. Number two, he makes sure he has the knack to hide his own activities, and people don't know what he himself is doing. Number two. Number three, he is very cunning, shrewd. Out of this knowledge about who is doing what, he tries to gain advantage out of it, and he tries to fulfill his desires out of utilizing such information, because the 11th house is hopes and wishes, and he tries to, the 11th lord going in the third house, getting that information, he tries to fulfill his hopes and wishes out of such information. This is the third point. Number fourth point, third house also represents courage. So whenever there are situations where he faces some challenge and life wants him to be courageous, what this person does is he has certain very shrewd and very shady social network of the 11th house. He uses that network. Whenever there are situations where he got to be courageous, he doesn't go and fight himself. He will fight, but he will use that 11th house, and he will use all those shady friend circles, and they will come and they will help him out. So this is the fourth point. I actually knew someone who, she was a woman, and she lived in India, Maharashtra, Islampur, and in Gujarat, Vadodara. She used to keep track about every person who is doing what. She had relatives in Vadodara, which is in Gujarat, which is 600 kilometers away from where she lived in Maharashtra, Islampur, and she knew everything what was going on in Vadodara, which is 600 kilometers away, and she was very much aware of each and every activity about each and every relative in Vadodara and who was doing what. And she, from 600 kilometers far away, she was keeping track, and she used to gain that information, and she used to utilize that information to gain profit out of it. So this is about this placement of 11th house moon going in the third house, being debilitated. So if you like this episode, don't forget to press the like button, and if you haven't subscribed to the channel as yet, go and subscribe to it. In the next episode, we'll come up with another topic. This is Vishal Sathye signing off. Bye.